Hey honeycrunchers, and welcome back to day 9 of my 12 days of Christmas nail art. And this is the design that I'm sharing with you guys for today. So I prepared a shimmery milky white base. Then I'm using this design. Let me remove some parts of this design using a dotting tool. And now I'm filling it in with colors. Then set it aside to dry. For my thumb, index, ring, and pinky nail, I'm applying a green glitter top coat. Then I'm applying a layer of gold glitter top coat. Now I'm applying a fast drying top coat on my middle nail, letting it to dry a bit. Then I'm stamping the design. And of course, I applied top coat. Make sure to be back tomorrow for day 10. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!